What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you these Grand Tour-Pak passenger armrests. These premium passenger armrests have been ergonomically designed to provide the ultimate in passenger comfort and are fully adjustable for an individual fit. The soft pads provide comfortable forearm support and the armrests adjust through several support arm locations and pad angles for a custom fit. Both armrests conveniently swing out of the way for easy mounting and dismounting, while the robust adjustment mechanism keeps the arms in place while riding without a passenger. The high-quality black vinyl upholstered pads and support arms blend beautifully with original equipment seats and speaker pods. This comes as a complete kit with all required installation hardware included. These passenger armrests are available for both two-wheel motorcycles and the Harley-Davidson trikes, so check the website to make sure this product fits your model. For more information, head to harleydavidson.com or check with your local authorized Harley-Davidson dealership. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.